Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a stock ledger in Excel. Open a blank workbook and set columns for date, symbol, shares, price, fees, and balance. Enter a sample trade to test formulas and formatting. Use data validation for symbol to avoid typos. Apply currency format to price and fees and number format to shares. Save the file with a clear name and backup copy locally or to cloud storage. Start by calculating cost as shares multiplied by price and include fees separately. Use net cost equals cost minus fees to reflect true outlay per trade. For running balance, use previous balance plus buys and minus sells to keep a continuous tally. Use absolute references when needed and copy formulas down to new rows. Double-check with sample buys and sells to confirm results update correctly and reliably. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which makes reviewing spreadsheet guides and reference books cozy on the couch or commute. It has a crisp screen and long battery life, perfect for learning on the go. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Format the ledger for clarity by freezing headers and applying alternating row shading for readability. Use conditional formatting to flag negative balances, large fees, or unusual trade sizes. Build a summary table showing total shares, average price, and realized gains for quick insight. Add filters or a pivot table to analyze by symbol, date, or trade type. Finally, lock formula columns and protect the sheet to prevent accidental edits while entering trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.